Hello, this is Nick from Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the MSI Prestige 13 AI Plus Evo A2VM. To open this ultra-light gadget, you have to undo 7 Phillips head screws. Pop the 2 areas behind the hinges with a lever tool. Then, pry the top edges and the rear. When that is done, pop the sides and the front with a thin plastic tool. This machine relies on a 75-watt-hour battery. To remove it, pop the front of the connector and push it slightly towards the SSD. After that, undo the pair of Phillips head screws that fix the battery to the chassis. The capacity is enough for around 17 hours of video playback. Our test was conducted with the Energy Saver preset activated in the Windows Power and Battery menu and the Eco Silent mode applied in the MSI Center S app. The balance mode should be selected in the BIOS in the User Scenario section. The Wi-Fi 7 card isn't upgradable. In terms of storage, there is just a single M.2 slot that fits 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. We found a thermal pad below the NVMe. Just like most of the Copilot Plus PCs, the memory here is soldered. On the bright side, you can order this machine with up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, 8533 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode. The cooling seems modest. It has a decently sized fan, a heat pipe, 1 heat sink, and a heat spreader.